back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on the little bell, and let's get to decorating. Oh yes, ma'am. Look what I'm holding. What is this, Bella? Is that Dollar Tree contact paper? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something, and you guys can laugh all you want, but let's hope it turns out amazing. First of all, we're waiting for Angela, because she's gonna help me out on this video. But before we get into that, I wanna tell you something. The biggest trend right now in home decor is peel and stick wallpaper. Okay, but right now we're all conserving our money, and we are all trying to come up with creative ways to conserve money, because we're all going through this little crisis at the moment, which will pass. But so I was at the Dollar Tree because I had to get some stuff, and I saw this, and I thought to myself, Dollar Tree contact paper is peel and stick. This pattern is pretty cool. What can I do with it? So I'm gonna wallpaper the bathroom. So follow me, and Angela's gonna join us, and we are going to attempt, number 2, to wallpaper the bathroom. So let's see what we come up with. Hi, okay guys, look who I got with me.
Hey guys.
Okay, Angela's gonna help me, right Angela?
Yep.
Yes. What are we doing?
We're gonna put up our faux wallpaper.
Okay, so we did this already, right? Tell them what we did.
Yeah, we put up other wallpaper, and it didn't turn out the way we planned on it turning out.
Not at all. It was an epic fail, and I have a clip for that, right?
Yeah.
So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna take that wallpaper down.
Yes.
And put new wallpaper that we like much better.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Guys, this is all in real time. So I'm telling you right now, you're watching this as we do it. So we decided to what?
We decided to switch the walls that we were
Yes.
gonna put them on.
Yes. The reason why we decided that is because we found it really difficult to put it behind the toilet and around the mirror and the sink. There's like all these moving parts, and we're not professionals, right?
No.
So it didn't turn out. It really did not turn out the way we wanted. So we're gonna what? We're gonna
put them onto plain walls that
Like-
have nothing on them.
yeah, no like mechanicals.
Yeah.
So okay, let's go to the bathroom, and we're doing this in our powder room because we want to, just test this out in a small area. And yeah, let's go see what we come up with. I'm gonna try and do my best filming this. I have put things in here that really don't match one another, because this is kind of like a mismatch room. I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with it. I have that little arch, kind of like it, not really. And then I have these 2 little mirrors that I really like. And then that little shelf, and there's a plant. And I even added bunny towels. And then on this side, where the mirror is, I hope you can see this. Okay, so on this wall here is also where the mirror and the vanity is. You can see that. It's like a really simple builder's vanity. And then on this wall, there's a little window. And then I have this, which I'm not keeping. And you'll see that in a minute. And I'm going to flip you over and show you the other wall. And then over here in this corner where the light switch is and the towel bar is where I have another one of these. But I'm going to move these. And I'm going to try and actually take everything off the wall, including these mirrors and the shelf. And then this little, if you're looking for something to do, guys, this is a really cute and easy DIY. I just took one of those Dollar Tree things, and then these are all Dollar Tree flowers. But I think that might stay in here. Okay, guys, this is the epic fail. I think the pattern on this peel and stick contact paper is too small. You could see all the seams. I don't like the wall that we put it in. It was really difficult to do. So this is just the epic fail. And I just wanted to give you a look. So if you were thinking of this one, I wouldn't recommend this pattern. Guys, I want to give you a close-up of what I'm using. This is it. This is it here. This is the Dollar Tree peel and stick. It's called a quick cover. You can find this at the Dollar Tree. It's obviously $1.25 in Canada, but $1 in the US. You're going to need a level, and you're going to need an Exacto knife. These are my tips. I'm going to give you my tips before we start. You should roll out the contact paper. Okay, so roll it out. And then what you're going to do is this. Okay, guys, so you see here what I'm doing. I've peeled the paper off. And you should start like this with just this amount. And then put this on your wall and start smoothing out. So that's my trick. Only peel off in small increments. It makes it much easier to work with. And this pattern is a lot better than the other pattern. So that's just what I wanted to show you. So now we're going to start putting it up on the wall, and you'll see how it goes. So you just slowly peel the backing and smooth it out as much as you can, like this. And truthfully, it's really easy to work with. But I'm going to show you down here, because I'm getting close to the electrical. And if you see like an air bubble like I just saw there, just peel it right off and smooth it back down. Okay guys, here's the big reveal. I put the sign out here on the door with some command hooks. And let's go inside. Sorry about the squeaking of the door. Okay, there's a little sneak peek. You can see the reflection of the wallpaper on the mirror. Isn't that so nice? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look how good it turned out. So that's the reflection you see in the mirror, and that's why I chose this wall. Okay, let me show you the detail of some of the things we did. I put back the little mirrors and my little shelf. And I love it. I love it. Look, you can see the reflection all the way up. So it's really nice when you come in. You see that. Okay, so this is what I did. I put my little shelf back. This little shelf has been with me for forever and a day. This little Dollar Tree arrangement that I made. Nothing special. And the mirrors are from Target years ago. And then right on top of the toilet, I put a little bit of extra toilet paper, some hand cream, and an air freshener, and then a little faux pot with greenery. And that little pot, let me show you where it came from. Okay, guys, you see this little tiny, like, kind of garden house wrought iron? It is so cute. It came with 4 of these little white chippy pots. And it's so pretty. It's from the garden section at Walmart. I think you're supposed to put herbs in it, but I'm using it here. And I got this little mirror. If you're interested about that mirror, I have it linked in my Amazon store. It is adorable, and it totally looks French country and everything. It's just really pretty. And then that's a little candle I had. I thought it matched it really nice. But let's go over here. I love it. I love it. I love this. And I have to say that the pattern is really nice. I just added some towels. But I want to show you how beautifully and seamless this truly is. Let me try and find the seam. I know it's here somewhere. Hold on. Let me find the seam. Guys, the seam is right here. You see that? Isn't that amazing? It's so good. I mean, it's not perfect because, again, remember, this is not real wallpaper. It's contact paper, but I love it. With the Exacto knife, you cut the edges really precisely. I cut the edges really nicely up at the ceiling Here you can see it's really nice. And truthfully, look how good that looks. You can't even see the seams or anything. And then, oh, sorry about that. And then down here, okay, you can see the seam here, right running down the length of the wall, but you know what? It's fine for what it is. Here you could see that I cut it perfectly with the Exacto knife on the baseboard. So I think it looks really good. Let me show you the other side. Mirror, I moved this that I had, and I just have my like a hand towel, and I used the Miss Myers lilac one. Oh, guys, it smells so good. Oh my god! And I also put a lilac Bath and Body Works plug-in. And then I got the idea to put the little pot in, and it's so cute. And you know, just cleaned it up, made it look pretty. There's splashes of purple in the flower there. There's splashes of purple in the flower there. And then the gray. And the color of this basket really matches the color of the arch up here. So it's really nice and cohesive. But the best part is when you open the door and you come into the powder room, you come directly to the mirror. So you see the wallpaper right away. And then you turn around and you think, oh my goodness, look at that. It is so good. I love it. I think it's an amazing idea. I used 4 rolls, guys. $4. That is it. $4. Look what you can create with $4. Okay, guys, that is the end of the video. I know, I look crazy because that was a lot of work. Angela cannot come on and say bye, but she wants me to tell you guys how much she loves you and thank you for watching her. She had fun. We had fun doing this. I mean, can you believe it? $4. 4 rolls of peel and stick contact paper. I mean, seriously, who would have thought, right? What a great idea. So fun, so easy to do in such a little space. So cute, right? I mean, come on, it's just a little bit creative. This is what you do when you're stuck at home. You get creative ideas. Do I have any major tips for you guys? Patience, 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 patience. Something yours truly does not have. Patience is required. Be diligent. Like if you get an air bubble, peel it off, smooth it out again. That's another tip I'm going to give you. Use your level lines, like make level lines so that you know exactly where to put the paper. Okay, 2 things. No wall anywhere is straight, okay? Just so you know that. And this paper is not 100% straight either. So you're gonna have to fidge with it a bit, like if you're gonna do this. But I'm telling you, if you do this anywhere, like a powder room is perfect. No one will ever expect it. It is adorable. It turned out super cute. I'm really impressed. Let's just say the epic fail one. Wow, that was bad. That was really bad. And I'm sorry that I didn't have more clips because once we got to doing it, me and Angela were doing it so quick that we were like, okay, let's finish. And we finished so quickly. I just cut the edges off and that was it. And we were done. So I hope you liked this video. I hope it gave you lots of inspiration, right? At least it's fun. Have a fantastic day. Know that I love you from the bottom of my heart. Always, always, always. I'm so glad to be back, y'all. I'm so glad to be back. Have an amazing, amazing day. And if no one told you today, I love you. And I'll see you on Friday. Bye, guys.